By the age of 3, I knew I was a girl. My dad was the first one to try and clamp down and get rid of it. Spankings and teasing and ridicule happened, and that's what put me in a closet that took almost a half century to get out of. I'm not what I used to be, but I am who I've always been. I'm trans. My name's Susannah, and I'm a writer.
Hi, my name is Kendra, and I am a coordinator at Sephora. Our relationship originally started as customer and employee, and over the last year, we've gotten really close. We kind of feel like siblings in a way.
When I think of Sephora, I think of a place that's safe. I just feel like I'm accepted for who I am once I walk through that door.
Sephora is extremely inclusive. We accept everybody, no matter what they identify themselves as. I just feel kind of special that I've been there if she needs someone to talk to or any kind of encouragement.
For so long in my life, I had to pretend to identify as who I wasn't. Over the last few years, I've been wanting to come out, but then I kind of hit the age of 50 and it's like, am I getting too old to do this? The day after Christmas, a couple years ago, my middle daughter took me to Sephora, and I was just gonna get like a foundation to play with. A beauty advisor helped me match to a foundation. She put eyeshadow on me. She didn't let me focus on what do people think. And when she asked, do you want me to take the stuff off? I said no, and I walked out the doors for the first time ever with makeup on.
Now I look at her and I'm like, wait, what glitter do you have on? I might need to buy that.
From an early age, my best friends were girls. My dad basically did everything he could to spank it out of me. It was safer to say nothing than to say anything. It was the confidence that I gained from Sephora that finally allowed me to have the conversation with my dad and tell him, I'm trans. As we have this conversation, his words hurt, but the venom that was behind them was even worse. The next time I came into the store, you gave me that huge hug.
I just gave her a hug.
It really made a difference.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Don't mind me. One of my favorite things about Sephora is they have classes for confidence, where specifically the transgender community can come in and learn whatever kind of makeup tricks they're looking for, whether it's a red lip or a cat eye wing. Beauty to me is when an individual feels like their best selves. Just know that people are gonna love you and support you, and you'll still have a group to be there for you.
One of the biggest things that's happened in the last month was I filed for my name change. I needed that driver's license to know that I'm finally where I've always been. This time of year is actually like an anniversary to me, and it makes my Christmas season that much more special. I've always felt like something's kept me back, and now when I can look in the mirror and I'm happy with that face, I'm ready to step out the door and start flying.